So there was like scrub brush and tail.
All right, so here's our chicken coop inside. Check this out. So it's got her side here. We're redoing all of the cabinets. We've got to put the next ones on. We've got to repaint the cabinet there. Got the chicken side. I'm putting in the electronic door or electric door. So my own creation, version of somebody else's creation. But yep, and we're putting on the sisal and stuff. So this is all the inside. We're going to relocate that light to the center, and we're going to put a chandelier on there. And they have to come back and put another vent right there. Supposed to have one there, and it came in without it. Might be scary because I'm wondering if the electricity from this outlet goes right up through there, and as soon as they cut it, they'll probably cut the electricity and then burn the whole shed down. Just kidding.
Cool. That's what
Yep.
happens.
But we've got all the blinds up, so that's pretty cool too. All the windows have them. So the doors there. I got to build another ramp out to there, the human ramp, and then plus fix the chicken ramp. Oh yeah, so this is it. So we filled it up with dirt, like a couple feet here, almost a foot over, well, probably more than a foot over on that side, but all the way up to here, which is about 6 inches low on this side. But this is all filled up. Looks cool. All right, that's just the update. I got to get back to work. Bye. All right, so update. Getting the last of the.
Who are you talking to?
All right, update. Getting the last cabinet painted. Got the thistle started on the roost. That's 100 feet of thistle. Only goes about 3 feet when you're wrapping it around a 2x3. Holy cow. Need some pieces down there at the bottom underneath the roost to seal that up, so we're going to get some weather stripping. Automatic doors almost in place. You got the piece over there by the side. The rails are up. Controls are in place. There's the controls. I tried to wire it up to the outlet, but I didn't get any response. I got to check the polarity. It might be backwards, hopefully. Hopefully that's all that there is. But yep. And then that'll be done. Yep, we're coming along. All right, so more later. All right, hey girls, what you girls doing? How do you like your new coop? Oh yeah, you like it, huh? I know, it's huge, huh? Okay. Let's go take a look at it. So there it is. There's the coop. Still trying to think of a name. Maybe I should call it Dreadnought. I don't know, what do you think? Dreadnought? Thing's gigantic. Huh. Alright, so here we go. Let's take a look. Huh. Let's take a look over here. So now we've got this all filled with dirt. Let's take a look over here. So this is what it is. There's a partition in the middle here, so you could go to either side. So let's take a look. Right now we're getting this all secured. So we have to paint. She wants to repaint all of this. So I have to take all the cabinet hardware off to repaint that. She already started painting the ceiling. I'm gonna move or extend the light over to here, so light on this side as well. So as you come around here, you can see they have the roosts right over here. Got the nesting boxes over here. They were hung up over on the other side over there, but they were too high up off the ground, so we brought them down and we put them over here, so it fits a little bit nicer. Then they have their own fan up there. There's a full man door over here, and then the chicken door over there, man door over here. So this also opens up. So the system that we use here is, these are horse pellets, I believe. So they're bigger. The consistency is much bigger, but it's less dust and stuff like that, and it really, you know, it's just as absorbent. So it seems to work pretty well. And this is the way out into the run. All right. So we're going to be getting a new set of a new brood, some new chicks this coming spring. So if you want to continue watching, that would be great. We'd really appreciate that. Oh wow. I hope she didn't break that. Yep. So my one and only, very hard to buy, impossible to get specialty tool. My wife used this like a pry can, or I mean, to undo a square style deck screw. Oh my gosh. Oh. Anyway, it looks like it's okay, but oh, all you guys know my pain. Okay. Anyway, that's it. And we'll keep you updated, let you know how it goes. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching.